All rise. The hearing of calendar cases will now begin. Honorable Kenneth Vincent Labor, presiding. Silence is hereby enjoined.
Read the cases in the court calendar.
First case, Your Honor. Criminal case number 1234, People of the Philippines versus Daniel Abelino for act of lasciviousness for arraignment.
Appearances.
Prosecutor Luis Christian Adea, respectfully appearing for the government. Ready, Your Honor.
Attorney Jefferson Batanganes, respectfully appearing for the accused. Ready, Your Honor.
All right, arraign the accused.
You, Daniel Abelino, stand charged of the crime of acts of lasciviousness under Article 336 of the Revised Penal Code, as amended in the information which allege as follows. The Sun-Times, in the evening on or about the 4th day of April 2024 in Barangay Sunset, City of Puerto Princesa, Philippines, and within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, the above name accused, with design and true force, threat, and intimidation, did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously commit lascivious conduct against Daisy Porzuelo of legal age by piercing her arms toward her private parts and pressing the same against her will, and consent to her damage and prejudice, contrary to the law. Daniel Abelino, did you understand the charge against you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is then your plea?
Not guilty, ma'am. At hindi ko ginawa yun! Hindi ko ginawa yun!
Order in the court.
Your Honor, the accused entered a not guilty plea.
Enter a not guilty plea. Let us begin to the pre-trial conference.
As stated in the information, Your Honor, nothing more to add.
Is there any possibility that may bargaining between two parties?
If the accused is willing to change his plea of not guilty to guilty, Your Honor, the private complainant is willing to forego damages.
The defense would rather proceed to trial, Your Honor.
All right. The prosecution may proceed to stipulation, if any.
The prosecution proposes for stipulation the identity of the accused and his whereabouts on April 24, 2024 between 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the evening, which was the barangay San Jose, Puerto Princesa.
Admitted, Your Honor.
The prosecution also proposes for admission that the accused as the one who pays the private complainant her salary as farmer laborer of the mayor.
Admitted, Your Honor.
The prosecution also proposes for admission that the accused is the driver of the mayor from 2016 to the present, Your Honor.
What about the testimonial evidence?
Admitted, Your Honor.
We have no other proposal for admission, Your Honor. Now for our documentary evidence, the prosecution prays that the following document be marked as Exhibit A, the information in this case dated on April 26, 2024 as the Exhibit B, the resolution of the Office of the Provincial Prosecutor dated May 8, 2024 as the Exhibit C, the Malaya and Kusang Loob ng Salaysay of Mr. Mark Christian Austria, the private complainant in this case, as Exhibit D, the Malaya Kusang Loob ng Salaysay of Mr. Jester Odesta, corroborating the allegation of private complainant as Exhibit E, certification issued by Puerto Princesa City Police Station of the latter of the incident subject this case, and as Exhibit F, report an act of lasciviousness by Puerto Princesa Police Station. Those are all documents exhibit, Your Honor.
So, what about your testimonial evidence?
We will now presenting the private complainant, Ms. Desiree Priscilla, her witness, Mr. Christian Mark Austria, and Police Major Regional Faltado, Chief of Police of Puerto Princesa City.
How many trial do you need, prosecutor?
Only 3 trial dates, Your Honor.
Give the prosecution 3 trials.
June 4, 6, and 7 of 2024, all at 8:30 o'clock in the morning, Your Honor.
No other matter for the prosecution?
None, Your Honor.
How about the defense?
Archery, Your Honor's denial.
Any proposals?
The defense proposes for admission that private complainants still talk and work with the accused after the alleged incident subject of this case, Your Honor.
Admitted with the qualification that because she was not yet paid her salary after the subject incident, Your Honor.
No other proposal. Your Honor, no documentary exhibit, and for our witnesses, the accused and his 2 other farm workers, we also need 3 trial dates, Your Honor.
Okay, give the defense 3 trial dates.
June 15, 16, and 17, Your Honor.
Alright, no other matters, counsels?
No other matters, Your Honor.
No other matters, Your Honor.
Pre-trial conference proceedings are now then terminated. The court will not issue the order. The accused was arraigned and he pleaded not guilty, duly assisted by counsel. The pre-trial conference was then conducted and terminated, there being not plea bargaining. A separate pre-trial order will be issued based on said proceedings. The presentation of prosecution evidence in chief commences on June 4, 2024 at 8:30 o'clock in the morning. Issued subpoena on the prosecution witnesses listed. So ordered. Next case.
No other cases, Your Honor.
Session adjourned.